County 911. Where's the emergency?
Yes, listen. We got what is it, Jazz? The countryside, countrywide. What is it, Jazz?
Are you at the countryside?
Yes,
okay.
It's shots ringing out everywhere. Please, we're from Chicago. We're guests. We're trapped in a basement. We cannot get out.
You're trapped in a basement?
Well, yeah, we're performing artists. We're in the room. We're in the room, downstairs.
Okay.
We just
what are you?
Finished performing.
Okay.
We're hearing all the shots and stuff outside right now. For the last 5-10 minutes. Please hurry. Please hurry. Please send all units.
There we have deputies there. You're at the countryside on 59?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. Don't hang up. But I'm just gonna update this quick. I'm gonna put you on hold.
Please. He's gonna have to meet us at the hotel. You got the glasses and everything? I got to get in the motherfucking car, Jazz. Y'all got to carry this shit.
Okay, hold on. We have...
Go ahead, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yep, I'm still here.
Go ahead, what you say?
Just hold on for a second for me. I'm just looking here because we got numerous calls on this. You heard shots fired?
I heard shots, but I heard so much. It's been fighting. We're trapped in the basement, so we can't leave out. We got a celebrity with us. We're trying to get her out, but we're trapped in the basement. We're from Chicago. We performed.
Who do you have with you?
I have Lonnie Pop.
Lonnie Pop?
Lonnie Pop from Chicago. We need the police to get her out of here.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. We have officers. They'll come make contact with you. And you're in the basement?
Yeah, we're in the basement.
Okay. Well, we have a bunch of deputies there, and they'll be there.
Yeah, we had a few that escorted us down here. When we got down here for maybe about 10 minutes, it just all out, just rang out. So we don't know what's going on. All I know is that we're trapped, and it's only one way out.
And you don't know for sure if it was shots fired? Just
I'm
a
not
bunch
sure,
of people?
but it definitely heard like it. It sounded like it.
And you just said it, just a bunch of people yelling?
Yeah, well, it's like 1,000 footsteps. You can tell it was a brawl. It was a brawl upstairs.
Okay. Like I said, we have deputies there, so they'll be making contact with you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.